So this is Tailgate Toss. It is an exclusive game at Dave & Buster's. And it's, well, themed like a pickup truck for, well, I mean, I know it's called Tailgate Toss, but don't know what the connection is. It is made by ice, which makes a lot of really good games that I like. And the idea is that you toss the beanbags, and if you get 3 in the same hole in a row, you get a bonus. And if your score is that or better, not likely you'll get 500 tickets. Sometimes the beanbags don't come out as quickly as you'd like them to, and you're like, oh, come on man, hurry up. I wonder why Buffalo? I wonder if that's where ice is located. I'm not really sure. Oh, see, I want to get the red one again. Oh man, I do better when